Yo, my name is Benjamin and this is Squircles in Framer. Here we have two buttons and they're rounded with radius. And I can now select both of these, head over to the Styles panel and add a new property called Squircle. And this property will be positioned below the radius property and it effectively impacts the corner smoothing, allowing you to create these super ellipse or squircle-like shapes similar to app icons on iOS. I personally like values between 40 and 50% most, as this lets a lot of the roundness of the radius come through and it produces some really friendly looking layout elements. This new property lets you design interactive components, layout elements, and entire websites in Framer that feel different. Here we're using those same buttons as call to actions in our layout. And we've also applied Squircle to these cards here, giving us some incredibly smooth rounding and making this header feel more fun and friendly. We can also work with this new Squircle property within components, as just like the radius property, it also supports variables. So in just a few clicks, I'm able to make both radius and Squircle a variable, adding both as a property control on the component instances so they're completely customizable. So you can design these interactive and reusable elements complete with customizable rounding and smoothing. Combined with our powerful design features like 3D transforms, P3 colors, and masking, this lets you design high-fidelity graphics like app icons in Framer. For example, here I recreated the macOS shortcuts app icon using nothing but Framer. Next, we've ensured that this new property is deeply integrated with our feature set, so you can even use it within link styles, for example, or within the Framer native form inputs, where you can even create animations and interactive states using Squircle. Now, under the hood, we're using the brand new CSS property corner shape. Today, this is supported in all Chromium-based browsers like Chrome and Edge, but not yet in Safari and Firefox. And for these browsers, we've designed and implemented our own fallback solution, where we'll match the optical rounding using just radius. So your layouts and buttons will never feel off or look broken. They'll simply display a normal radius that has the exact same optical rounding. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more updates coming soon.